This is Mahmoud Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are located in the isometric view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the top view. In the top view, I'll draw this rectangle. And this rectangle has a dimension of 126 by 125 and it has a extrude boss of 20 unit. So I am selecting the top plane. Now sketch. Now from here select the center rectangle and from the center rectangle place it to origin and now dimension it. Now dimension it to 125 by 126. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 20 unit. Now press OK. After that we can see that we have another small rectangular shape in here, and this small rectangular shape has a dimension of 63 by 55 and it will be extrude boss to 70 minus 20. So I'm selecting this upper face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle. Now place here and now dimension it to 55 by 63. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 70 minus 20 unit. Now press OK. After that we can see we have another shape in here. It is also a rectangular shape and we will later fillet on it. So in this rectangular shape it has a, if we join these 2 points like this type and also draw this rectangular shape, we will extrude boss it to 125 minus 38 minus 62, which will be 25 unit. So let me demonstrate. So select this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select line and place a point here and draw a vertical line. And to get an indicator how much we need to go, drag to here and you can see we are getting an indicator. So our horizontal line is 50 unit. And then draw another line. Now connect all the line. Now our rectangle is drawn. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 125 minus 38 minus 62, which will be 25 unit. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. After that we can see we have a fillet here of 25 radius. So go to fillet option and dimension it to 25. Now select this line. Now press OK. Then we can see we have a triangular shape in here. So for drawing this triangular shape, I will first take a reference plane in this section, which will be a reference plane of 6 unit offset. And from that reference plane, I will draw this inclined line. And after drawing this inclined line, I will repeat to 20 unit. So I am selecting this face. Now select reference. Now select plane and dimension it to 6 unit and flip the offset. Now press OK. Now select this plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. And after that select a line and place this 2 point and connect this 2 point. Okay. Now isometric it. Now exit sketch. Now go to rep option. In the rep option, select this one and dimension it to 20 unit. Now press OK. Now hide the plane. Now in the sketch we have another rectangle like this one. Another rectangle like this one, and this rectangle has a distance from this line to here is 62 unit, and from this line to here is 70 unit. Then I will extrude cut it. So selecting this face, now sketch, now normal to it. Now select a corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle. And after that, select the smart dimension option and dimension this from this line to 62 unit. And from this line to this line 70 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it. Sorry, it will. We need to redimension it this plane. So select smart dimension and dimension this to this plane. This will be 70 unit. Now isometric it. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now press OK. As you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.